Hi everybody, in this video, let's learn how do we do plus or minus which involve the number which is not in base 10. Before I show you that, let's look at this one first. The addition between two numbers in base 10. This one everybody should be okay. 1938 plus 1679. Okay, so this is in base 10. If I do not write any small number here, means that this is in base 10. 8 plus 9, you will get 17. But do we write 17? No, right? This is equal to 17. 17 is equal to 10 plus 7 because this is base 10, right? So we only write 7 and 10, we add 1 over here. So this 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 7, you get 11. But do we write 11 over here? No. 11 is equal to 10 plus 1. We only write 1 and the 10 we add 1 over here, right? 9 plus 6, you get 15. 15 plus 1, you will get 16. Okay, same thing. 16 is equal to 10 plus 6. We only write 6 and the 10 here, we add 1 over here. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, so this one, everybody should be okay. This is the way how we do plus, right? Now, if you understand this concept, it can actually help you to do the addition between two numbers which is not in base 10. Let me give you an example. Now, try to do this one. 1, 0, 1, 1. This is base 2, therefore I need to write a small 2 over here to let people know that this is actually base 2. Plus 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So our calculator actually can help us to do for the binary number, octal number, and hexadecimal. But in this video, I will just focus on binary number and octal number and other bases, which I will not touch about the hexadecimal. This is actually base 16, which is not in your syllabus. Okay, now 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, right? But can we write 2? No, because this is a number in base 2. There are only 2 digits we can use, which is 0 and 1. Same thing here. Do we write 17? No, because this is base 10. There are only 10 digits we can use, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We don't have 17, right? Therefore, we only write 7. And the 10 here, we add 1 in the front here. So we actually do the same thing for base 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, right? So 2 is equal to 2 plus 0, right? Try to think, if I ask you to do this, 9 plus 1, this is base 10. Okay, how about 19 plus 1? 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, right? So 10 is actually equal to 10 plus 0. Do we write 10 over here? No, we only write 0. And the 10 we add 1 here. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now we are going to apply the same concept here. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 because this is base 2, we cannot write 2. So 2 is equal to 2 plus 0, we only write 0. And 2, we add 1. Be careful, add 1, not 2. It's the same thing here, 10, we add 1 here. So this is 2, we add 1 because this is base 2. 1 plus 1 plus 1, now you will get 3. 3 is actually equal to 2 plus 1. We only write 1. The 2, we add 1 over here. Okay, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Again, 2 is equal to 2 plus 0. We only write 0. Add 1 over here. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 is equal to 2 plus 1. We add 1. We write 1 here. And the 2, we add 1 in front of it. So it will become 11010 in base 2. So let's say if you want to use your calculator to help you to check the answer, you can just press menu, then search for bases. Okay, since this is binary number, right? You have to press this BIN first. Let your calculator know that now you are doing addition for a binary number. 1011 plus 1111 equal 11010. Okay, correct. Our answer correct. Now let's try some other bases. Now let's look at octal number. So this is base 8. There are only 8 digits we can use. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. But can we write 12? No. So 12 is equal to 8 plus 4. So we only write 4. And 8 here, we add 1 over here. This is base 8. So when you see 8 here, we add 1 in front of it. So 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Plus 1 will be equal to 12. Same thing, 12 is equal to 8 plus 4. I only write 4 and I add 1 over here. So 7 plus 7 is equal to 15. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. 14 plus 1 is equal to 15. Right? But do we write 15 here? No. So 15 is equal to 8 plus 7. We only write 7. So the 8, we add 1 in front of it. So 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So 10 is equal to 8 plus 2. We write 2 over here, add 1 in front of it, which is equal to 12744. Okay, so let's say if you want to use your calculator to help you to calculate this, what you need to do, just press octal number. Let your calculator know that now you are calculating the addition between two octal numbers. So 6775 plus 3747 and press equal. Okay, this is our answer, 12744, correct. Okay, now let's try base 5. 3442. Okay, this is a number in base 5 plus 1233 base 5. Okay, for base 5 our calculator cannot help us, so we need to if later on you want to check whether answer correct or not, we need to use this website I told you before, right? Help us to check the answer. Okay, now definitely we need to know how to do it manually without depending on the website or our calculator, because our calculator only can help us to do for certain bases, not all. Now 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, right? 2 plus 3, let me erase this one first. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. But this is base 5, right? We cannot write 5. We only write, this is 5 plus 0. Okay, we only write 0 over here. And we add 1 in front of it. Okay, so 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 8 is equal to 5 plus 3. Then therefore, we only write 3. And the 5, we add 1 in front of it. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 7 is equal to 5 plus 2. We write 2 only. And the 5, we add 1 in front of it. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Same thing. 5, we cannot write 5 because this is base 5. We only have 5 digits that we can use. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? There's no 5. So 3 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 5. We write 0. We add 1 in front of it. So this is 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so the answer will be 10230 base 5. So let's say we want to check our answer. 3442 plus 1233. So set it to base 5 first. You can choose the bases that you want. Now this is base 5. 3442. 3442. This is plus 1233. 1233. So the answer that we got just now is 10230, right? Let's calculate. 10230, correct. Our answer correct. The same thing if you want to try other bases, actually using the same concept. If you want to check your answer, you can set the bases that you want here. Okay, now let's move on to subtraction. How do we do subtraction for the number which is not in base 10? Before this, let me show you how do we do the subtraction which involve number in base 10. This one I think everybody should be okay because you learn it since it was a kid, right? Okay, 2641 minus 789. Okay, you don't see any small number here. It means that this is a number in base 10. Now, 1 cannot minus 9. Therefore, we need to borrow from here. So it becomes 3, right? And this is 1. We borrow it. We get 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Why we get 10? Because this is number in base 10. Therefore, when we borrow, we always add 10 to it. Okay? So, this is 11 is because 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So 11 minus 9, you get 2. Now 3 cannot minus 8. We need to borrow from the side, from the front here. So it becomes 5. This is base 10. When we borrow, we'll add 10 to it. So this is 3 plus 10, you get 13. 13 minus 5, 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. Okay, 5 again cannot minus 7. We have to borrow from here. Become 1. Plus 10 to it. It becomes 15, right? 15 minus 7, you get 8, and this is 1. Okay, this is a number in base 10. This is how do we do the subtraction, right? For the number in base 10. So for number in other bases, actually using the same concept. Let me show you. 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, you can try also. You can pause the video, try to do it on your own. Then later on, only you compare your answer with mine. Minus 1101 1101 base 2. Okay, now 0 cannot minus 1, so we have to borrow from here. It becomes 0 because this is base 2. When we borrow, right, we add 2 to it, not 10. Just now we add 10 to it because this is base 10. Now this is base 2. When we borrow, we add 2 to it. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Again, 0 cannot minus 1, so we have to borrow from here. It becomes 0, and here will become 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So the answer is 1001 base 2. So same thing, if you want to check using your calculator, you can do it this way. Because this is base 2, our calculator can help us to do the job. Okay, just set base 2 first. Key in this 10 110 10 110. Oh, let me clear this one first. 11 10 110 minus 1101. Okay, the answer is 1001. Correct. Our answer correct. Let's try base 8. 6 5. Let me use red color. 6 5 4 3 base 8 minus 4 7 6 5 base 8. Okay, now we are going to do the same thing here, but this time when we borrow, we add 8 to it because this is base 8, right? Okay, 3 cannot minus 5, so we have to borrow from here. It becomes 3, and 3 plus 8 because this is base 8. So 3 plus 8 will become 11. 11 minus 5, you get 6. And 3, again, 3 cannot minus 6, so we have to borrow from here. Okay, so 3 plus 8, it becomes 11. 11 minus 6, you get 5. Okay, so again, 4 cannot minus 7, we borrow from here, it becomes 5. And 4 plus 8, it becomes 12. 12 minus 7, you will get 5 as well. And 5 minus 4, this one no problem, which is equal to 1, and this is base 8. Okay, this is our answer. So let's say you want to use your calculator to check the answer. Press OCT first, let your calculator know that now you are calculating for the number in base 8, which is octal number. 6543 minus 4765 equal 1556. Okay, correct our answer. So how about let's try one more. This time let's try base 5, which our calculator cannot help us to do the job. So 43001. Okay, 43001 or 001 base 5. Okay, let me add one more 0 to it. 0 1. This is base 5. So minus 243214 base 5. Same thing, 1 cannot minus 4, we have to borrow from here. But here we don't have, we cannot borrow, right? So we have to start borrowing from here. So this is actually, it become 2, right? And here we add 5. And we have to borrow 1 from here. Here become 4. So here become 5. And we do the same thing. Here become 4. And here become 5. And then here will become 4. Here we add 5 to it. Eventually, it will become 6, right? So if you want to be faster, you can just cancel all the 0 here. Change it to 444. Okay, it will be faster. It's the same thing, right? If I ask you to do this one, let's say 50001 minus, let's say 9. This is base 10. How do we do the, how do we minus, how do we do the subtraction? So same thing, here we can just cancel, it become 4, right? Here become 9, here become 9, here become 9, here become 11. So 11 minus 9, 11 minus 9, you get 2. The rest you just copy, 9994. This is the way how we do the subtraction for the number in base 10, right? So this is base 10, therefore it become all 9. This is base 5, therefore all become 4. Okay, it's the same concept. Okay, now this is let me cancel this one. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 6 minus 4, you get 2. 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 2, you get 2. 4 minus 3, you get 1. 2 cannot minus 4, we have to borrow from here. It becomes 3, and this we are going to add 5 to it. 7 minus 4, you get 3. 3 minus 2, you get 1. Okay, our answer is 131232, base 5. Now, so let's check our answer. This is base 5, right? 43001. 43001. Oh, sorry, I have 300001. Okay, let me add one more 0 to it. And this is minus. Now this is 243214. 243214. Press equal, calculate. 131232. 131232. Okay, correct. So this is the way how do we do the addition and subtraction which involve the number which is not in base 10. So you can use a calculator to help you for certain bases, for example, binary number and octal number. And also hexadecimal, because but hexadecimal is not, this is base 16, which is not in your syllabus. So you only need to, at this moment, you only need to know how do we use our calculator to do the binary number and octal number. So for the rest of the bases, for example, base 5, base 7, base 9, and so on, our calculator cannot help us to do the job. That's all for this video. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. If you want to purchase this calculator online, but you worry that you will mispurchase a counterfeit product, you can just go to Shopee and purchase from Casio office store. Before this, I bought my calculator here as well. I already bought 2 calculators from this Casio office store. Both are authentic products. There are 3 colors available now: black, blue, and pink. You can click on the link in the descriptions or just go to Shopee, search for Casio office store. In the search bar, just type Casio office store. Click on it. This is Casio office store. So if you purchase your calculator here, you don't have to worry about the authenticity of the product. Just click on it. You can type the model of the calculator that you want to purchase here, or just go down here, click on scientific calculator. As I told you just now, for this model, there are 3 colors available now: black, blue, and pink. You will notice that there's another model of calculator which look very similar to FX570EX, which is FX FX991EX. These two calculators actually having the same functionality. What is the difference is, for FX991EX, this is two-way power calculator, means that you can use solar energy or battery. There are three colors available also for this model: black, blue, and pink. Let me show you some other differences between these two calculators. For FX570EX, this is one-way power. You only can use battery. The battery used is AAA battery. If you want to replace the battery, you need to take out 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For FX991EX, this is two-way power calculator. You can use solar energy or battery. If you want to change or replace the battery, you just need to take out 1 screw. The battery used in this calculator is button cell battery, LR44. Okay, that's all for this video. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.